Hi, welcome. This is a follow-up video. Is better. We've just created new ArcoLinux logout themes. This is Plasma. We're not using logout themes here, but I can launch it anyway to show what's going on. So ArcoLinux logout, those are new icons we've created here. And this is the breeze icons. You recognize the icons, right? So that's another option, and just did that without recording it. And previous video I've shown how to create the Surfn icons. So when I launch this again, this is what we created in the video, and I've created in the meantime another one. So the breeze and also the breeze blur, which is not yet in. So it's on the testing repo. In a few minutes I'll release it. So 2.6-2 is bringing in the breeze blur icons. So there are three new icon themes. So Ctrl-T, my case, anyway, I need to run this guy like this. That's the Surfn one, that's documented on the video. So you can make your own icon themes. That's the point, right? Be creative. I've shown you how to do it. You need to have SVGs. And then this is the breeze icon, save, cancel, and then launching it again. These are the breeze icons without any blur on it. So we just move over it and it's the same, which is cool. But I thought then why not try to make also a blur and a breeze blur as this guy. We better ask Brad to make this alphabetically if at all possible, because it's reading from a folder and they have two different folders, probably that's the reason. I don't know, we'll figure it out anyway. So breeze blur, that's another option. So this is still the breeze, cancel, and we have now this little bit blur, not much, 37 of it, and that's another option to create. So be creative, guys, figure out how you want to log out. Logout is used in XFC, OpenBox, all our tiling window managers, and I think LXQT as well. So if you want to have your own icons, be my guest. Make your own icons. They have to be SVGs, and check out the other video how to create these icons with the Surfn icons as example. Enjoy ArcoLinux Logout.